Are you looking forward to contact Talkie AI support? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily contact support of Talkie AI. First thing first, move into your application Talkie AI Lab. Make sure you are logged in into your specific account. Once you are logged in, you need to head over to your profile at the bottom right corner. After that, click on this gear icon or the settings icon at the top right corner of the screen. Scroll all the way down and click on Email Support. Now from here, you can simply contact the support of Talkie AI. Enter the subject you want to contact about and describe all of your problem in detail so that they can better assist you in addressing the problem as well. Include all the information and then click on the send icon at the top right corner. Within 24 hours, they will help you out with the problem that you have been facing. So this is simply how you can contact Talkie AI support. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.